Hey everyone, it's Sandeep Bimali here, a 18-year student and a passionate programming learner. Join me on my YouTube journey as I dive into the exciting world of coding, sharing my progress, tips, and tricks along the way. Let's embark on this coding adventure together. In previous video, we have already studied about CLS statement, rem statement, end statement, print statement, and we have carried out some basic examples. If you haven't watched the previous video, then you can watch it from the description box. I will provide you there. In this video, we are going to do some examples and some statements I will teach you. Let's talk about let statement. The let statement defines a variable and allows you to assign the value of an expression to the variable, where the variable may be string or numeric, which stores a value. The expression may be constant, variable, string, expression, or numeric expression. So here you can see a basic example of using let statement. That firstly we have clear the screen, and then let length be 5, let breadth be 6, let area length into breadth, which is the formula to calculate the area of rectangle. Then we have printed the result, which is also as area of the triangle is equal to area, which has been letted here. Then program is ended. Now when we run the program, we can see the output is 30. Length into breadth is equal to 30. 5 into 6, 30. Here you can see. It was the basic example. Now let's try the example number 2 using the let statement. So here you can see the second example using the let statement, in which we have firstly cleared the screen using CLS command. Then we have letted the name $B Sandeep Bimali, address $B Jhapa, telephone $B 123567889. Then we have printed the name of the person is name $, address B address $, telephone B telephone $, and we have ended. Remember, whenever you put something into the alphabet here, whenever you let something in alphabet, you have to put the $sign after the what you let here. Now when we execute the program, we will able to see the name of the person is Sandeep Bimali, address of the person is Jhapa, and telephone number is 1235789. Here you can see the output. Name of the person, address of the person, telephone number. Now you can also try it yourself in your home. Now let's see about input statement. The input statement allows you to input data during the execution of program and store them in variables. You can input string data or number on the basis of the variable what you have declared in the statement. Each time when a user runs the program, PC can input different types of data, where prompt message is the message that tells a user what type of data. Variable list may contain a single variable or list of variables separated by commas. So here you can see the basic example using input statement, where we have firstly cleared the screen. Then this is program which accept length, breadth of a rectangle and display area. Now here we have written input, enter the length of a rectangle, and we have let it be L, then breadth be B. Now area is equal to L into B. We have already studied about let statement, what does it do. Then we have printed area of rectangle is area, which is from here. Then program is ended. Now when we execute the program, we have to enter firstly the length of rectangle, let be 6, then enter, then breadth of rectangle, let be 7. Now here you can see the area of rectangle is 42. Now again let's try. Let be 10, then 20. Here you can see it's working properly. It was the basic example using input statement. You can try it yourself. Now here you can see the next example using input statement. This program accepts principal, rate, years, and displays simple interest. Now first we have inputted the principal and let it be P, then rate be R, and number of years BT. Now what is the formula of SI? We all know that P into T into R divided by 100. Then I have written here print to make a gap in the printout. which I will show you in the output. Then print simple interest rs si, which is from here. Then program is ended. Let's run it. Now here is written enter the principal amount. Let principal amount be 1000. Now what is the rate? Let it be 10%. Now number of years, let it be 2 years. Then here is a gap. Why it is gap? Because of this print statement. Now when we remove this print statement, it won't gap there. I will show you. Now 1000, rate 2%, 6 years. Here you can see there isn't any gap, so I have written there print to make a gap. Now here we can see rate be 2% and number of years be 5 years. Here is simple interest 100 rupees. Now you can try your programs yourself and enjoy programming. Thank you guys, this much in this video, and bye bye, see you in next video.